Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, honorable guardians, teachers, and viewers are all by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know that in the previous class I could not complete to teach narration from direct to indirect. You know that narration is a long grammar. In the previous class, I have taught you how you can change from direct to indirect in case of assertive sentence. Today, I shall discuss about how can you change from direct to indirect in case of interrogative sentence. In the previous class, I have told you that you will see question mark at the ending point of any interrogative sentence. Here, I have written two sentences. First sentence, direct narration, Rita said to Mizan. You know that it is interrogative sentence and it is direct narration. If you want to change from direct to indirect in case of interrogative sentence, in that case the subject of reporting verb will be same. Here Rita, here Rita. Then you will have to use ask in place of say. Another one, you will have to use asked in place of said. Here you will have to use asked instead of said to. Then the object of reporting verb will come here. Mizan, Mizan. Here you will have to use if in place of comma or inverted comma. But when you will see any WS word in any interrogative sentence, in that case you will have to use that WS word. That is why এখানে হোয়ার থাকলে হোয়াট বসে যাবে, হোয়ার থাকলে হোয়ার বসে যাবে, হোয়েন থাকলে হোয়েন বসে যাবে। আর যদি ডাব্লিউএস ওয়ার্ড না থাকে সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কমা ইনভার্টেড কমার পরিবর্তে ইফ কমা ইনভার্টেড কমার পরিবর্তে ইফ বা হুইদার বসাবো। লাইক বিফোর, হেয়ার ইউ উইল সি সাবজেক্ট ইউ সেকেন্ড পারসন। ইউ নো দ্যাট সেকেন্ড পারসন উইল ফলো দ্য অবজেক্ট অফ রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব মিজান। ইউ মিজানকে ফলো করার কারণে মিজান ছেলে, সেক্ষেত্রে ইউ উইল হ্যাভ টু ইউজ হি। দেন হেয়ার রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব সেট, ইউ নো দ্যাট সেট ইজ দ্য পাস্ট ফর্ম অফ সে, সো will be past form would. Then verb base form meet. Here object me, you know that it is first person object. First person will follow the subject of reporting verb Rita. Here me will follow Rita. Here me object, so her will be the object of Rita. I have told you in the previous class the adverb tomorrow will be the next day in case of indirect narration. In this way you can change it from direct to indirect in case of interrogative sentence. At the ending point you have to use full stop instead of question mark. Is it clear to you? Okay, thank you for your response. If you face any problem, you will ask me by Facebook comment, and I shall try to solve your problem. Second sentence, to direct narration, he said to me, who are you and what do you want? You know that it is interrogative sentence. Now you will have to change from direct to indirect. I have told you before that the subject of reporting verb will be unchanged. Here he subject, he will come here. Then you have to use asked in place of said to. Then object will come here. Here you will see W is what, who. So you will have to use this W is what, who, instead of comma and inverted comma. Then here subject you, second person will follow object me. Here you subject, so I will be subject of me. Next, reporting verb said, you know that it is past form, and are, you know that it is present form. When you will see reporting verb past form and reported is present form, in that case that will be past form. You know that was is the past form of am is are, was were. am is are past form was were. আয়ের সাথে মানানসই was. And you will write here what W is what will come here. Then you, second person will follow me, so me will be I. When you will see do, does, did in any interrogative sentence, in that case do, does, did will be deleted. Then reporting verb said past form, so wanted will be past form of want. Next you will use full stop in place of question mark. In this way you can change it from direct to indirect in case of interrogative sentence. Now we should follow the structure. Subject you can write down on your exercise book, that will be helpful for you in the next time. Then ask in place of say, and asked in place of said, or inquire of বা inquired of. Then object যদি থাকে. Next if বা whether, যদি W is what না থাকে সেক্ষেত্রে কমা ইনভার্টেড কমার পরিবর্তে if বা whether বসবে, আর W is what থাকলে কমা ইনভার্টেড কমার পরিবর্তে উক্ত W is wordই বসে যাবে। তারপর রিপোর্টেড পিছের সাবজেক্ট লাইক বিফোর, ফার্স্ট পারসন থাকলে রিপোর্টিং করবে, সাবজেক্টকে ধরবে, সেকেন্ড পারসন থাকলে অবজেক্টকে ধরবে, থার্ড পারসন থাকলে কাউকে অনুসরণ করবে না। টেন্স অনুযায়ী ভার্ব, রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব পাস্ট ফর্ম হলে ভিতরে প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম থাকলে সেটি পাস্ট ফর্মে পরিণত হবে, এক্সটেনশন ওর বাকি অংশ বসবে, শেষে প্রশ্নবোধক চিহ্ন ওঠে, ফুল স্টপ। Here I have written 2 exercises for you. You will practice them at your home, and if you face any problem you will tell me. I shall try my level best to solve your problem. Is it clear to you? Can I proceed the next one? Okay, thank you for your response. Now I shall discuss about how can you change from direct to indirect in case of optative sentence. when you will see may or long live at the beginning of any sentence and you will see full stop at the ending point, that is optative sentence. In the last class I have told you that an optative sentence expresses any prayer or wish. You know that may Allah bless you, it is an optative sentence. The teacher said to the student, may Allah bless you. It is direct narration. Now you will change from direct to indirect. In case of optative sentence, the subject of reporting verb will be unchanged. Here the subject teacher will be unchanged, and you have to use wish or pray in place of say. In the past tense, you have to use wished or prayed in place of said to. You should remember that the object of reporting verb will be deleted in case of optative sentence when you want to change from direct to indirect. Like before or like assertive sentence, you have to use that in place of comma and inverted comma. Like before, here the subject of reported speech Allah, you know that Allah is third person, so it will be unchanged. Allah will come here. Next, here reporting verb past form may, it is present form. When you will see reporting verb past form and the verb of reported speech present form, that verb will be past form. You know that might is the past form of may. Then verb base form bless. Here you second person object, second person will follow the object of reporting verb the student. Here you will follow the student, so you will have to use the student in place of you. Next full stop. In this way you can change from direct to indirect in case of optative sentence. Now if you follow the structure, here subject, the teacher, wish or wished, pray or prayed. সেট টুর পরিবর্তে তুমি উইশও ব্যবহার করতে পারো, প্রেডও ব্যবহার করতে পারো। অবজেক্ট থাকলে অবজেক্ট উঠে যাবে, দ্য স্টুডেন্ট উঠে গিয়েছে। অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সের মতো কমা ইনভার্টেড কমার পরিবর্তে দ্যাট বসে, দ্যাট বসিয়ে দিলাম। তারপর সাবজেক্ট আল্লাহ থার্ড পারসন কাউকেই অনুসরণ করবে না, তার মানে আল্লাহর আল্লাহ থেকে যাবে। তারপর রিপোর্টিং বার পাস্ট ফর্ম, রিপোর্টেড পিচের সাবজেক্ট দিলাম আল্লাহ, মে বা বাইট। রিপোর্টিং বার পাস্ট ফর্ম, তাহলে মেয়ের পাস্ট ফর্ম মাইট। মূল ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম ব্লেস, এখানে ইউ সেকেন্ড পারসন, অবজেক্টকে ধরেছে দ্য স্টুডেন্ট, যার কারণে দ্য স্টুডেন্ট হয়ে গিয়েছে। বাকি অংশ থাকলে বসাবো। হেয়ার আই হ্যাভ given one exercise that should be done by you at your home. You will practice it, and if you face any problem you can ask me. Now can I proceed the next one? Okay, thank you for your answer. In case of exclamatory sentence, when if you want to change from direct to indirect in case of exclamatory sentence, subject will be same. That is why subject will be unchanged like before. Then you will have to use exclaim with joy or sorrow instead of say. At the same time, you will have to use exclaimed with joy or sorrow in place of said. If the reported piece expresses any sorrow, you will use exclaimed with sorrow. On the other hand, if the reported piece expresses any joy, you will use exclaimed with joy in place of said. অবজেক্ট থাকলে উঠে যাবে, এখানে অবজেক্ট নাই, আর থাকলে উঠে যেত। Like assertive sentence or optative sentence, you will have to use that instead of comma and inverted comma. Hurrah and exclamation mark will be deleted because you already have used exclaimed with joy, said, and hurrah and exclamation mark. Then subject, our team. You know that our first person possessive pronoun, first person will follow the subject of reporting verb. Our will follow the students. Here our possessive pronoun, there is the possessive pronoun of the students. So our team will be their team. Here reporting verb is past form, has is present form, so has will be past form had. Then verb own, the match, and full stop. If we notice sentence number 2, direct narration, the man said, alas, exclamation mark, I am undone. It is an exclamatory sentence. This sentence expresses any sorrow. So the subject or reporting verb will be unchanged and you will have to use exclaimed with sorrow instead of said. Then comma, inverted comma, and alas exclamation mark will be deleted and that will be used here in place of comma and inverted comma. Here you know subject I, it is first person. First person will follow the subject of reporting verb the man. So I will follow the man. So I will be he. Here reporting verb said past form. Was will be the past form of am. And extension will come here. Finally you will use full stop. In this way you can change it from direct to indirect. Here I have written 2 exercises for you. They should be done by you at your home. Today our time is very limited, so we have to leave. In the next class I will discuss the rest of the rules. Allah Hafiz.